Hello everyone, I am Ms. Rahish. Today I am going to show you how to make a mail app. In this app, there will be a button and a text input. If we click on the button, the information will be sent and then there will be a number over there, a random number actually. If we go to receive and type that number, anyone from any devices, if they type the number, they will receive the mail. So let's get into the project. The name of the project is SecureSend. Click on create. We don't need this platform overview. So let's get started. First, we should add two screens actually, not one. And another, about three. And I'm going to rename screen 1 to home screen. Screen 2 to. So I'm renaming screen 2 to send screen. So the user will send the mail. And at last, the receive screen. So there we go, it's done. We'll be having a drawer navigator in this. Invisible drawer navigator. All the screens should come under drawer navigator. So just drag it into the navigator like this. That's all. You can see that it's highlighted in red. The left side of the drawer navigator one, the label, and everything is inside the drawer navigator now. The home screen should be the first thing. The send screen should be the second screen, and the receive screen should be the third one. And in the home screen, we are going to have two buttons which will navigate to the send screen and also the receive screen. Let's add two buttons. I'm going to rename this button to send and type the text as send to. There we go. And the name of the another button is receive. The send button should be top. I'm going to rename this button as receive button. So this thing is done. And now let's change the vertical alignment to space around so that it looks nice actually. The label, which is the name of the app. Be fast. Font size could be 30 and which displays the name of the app, SecureSend. I'm changing the background color to something like light blue, and I'm going to get a picture from the browser. Mm, There we go. I like this one, so that I'll choose the better one. I'm right clicking the image and I'm saving this image as mail. It'll take some time. That's already there. I'm clicking on save. And now I'm entering Thunkable. So the background picture, let's upload the files. We have got only one file, which is this one. Oh, the image is very big actually. But we can add it into an image, which would be nice actually. Before the two buttons, stuff to adjust over here. Yes, there we go. And I'm setting the background color to black, dark black. This thing is done. Let's go to the send screen. The send screen will only consist of a text input and a button. Mm, let's type the enter type message and then let's add a button. Before everything, we have to add a row so that it would be easy to locate things. The text input should be inside the row, and there we go to the button. And for this page too, I'm going to get a very nice image from the browser. Mm, send mail image. I love this one actually. I'm copying the image address. This is another way to add a image in this. I'm adding image component. Everything got collapsed. Just got added to its screen. Should not be added to the main screen and should be added below this text input and the button. I'm going to type this in URL actually. I don't need to click this button. It's done. The send screen is over and also we need to add another label where we'll get the OTP. That's the random number. Should not be inside the row actually. I'm setting the font size bigger actually. At least 30. Then the text must be 20. Hmm. At last, we are going to have a mic image. We are also going to have a voice recognizer in this. We just search mic button. I like this. You just copy the image address, which could be easier than. I'm going to add another button below this. Should be another column. The label. We are going to have another column just for this mic button. We are going to add a button inside this. We are going to add the image now. The thing is done. We are going to make the font size as 30 or something. Else we don't want the background color, it's disturbing. I'm going to increase the size of this. It will look. Size maybe very good. 150. 150 is perfect. Value size, which is 150. Now we have got the button. I'm going to change the background color of this to something like light blue. Now it's done. Now let's go on to the receive screen. We will receive the message over here where we will type the random number. So let's get started. Mm, type the pin. Oh, type the OTP to be up for this. And then we are going to keep a button called receive. We are also going to have another label. Yeah, very good. The font size would actually be 30 and the text 0. We will get the text over here. As the name of the label. At last, set it to place around so that it looks nice. We are going to have a receive image. like this one. Copying the image address and pasting it over here to image. And then the picture is this one. Mm, yes, we are done with the designing work. Now let's go on to the blocks. We are going to create cloud variables for this. Cloud variable called the OTP and another cloud variable named text message. That's all. And we are going to initialize these. We are going to set these cloud variables to the text inputs. Let's get started. Mm, better be in the sense. Mm, everything could be in the home screen instead of being here, so that we would have a track of this. We just delete this off. Delete block. Delete. In the home screen, we are just initializing two variables. And then we are going to have two things for the send button and receive button. When the send button is clicked, should navigate to send screen. When the receive button is clicked, should navigate to the receive screen. The code is over in the home screen. Let's go to the send screen. When the button one is clicked, you have to set two variables. That's the text message and the cloud OTP. The text message is the get text of text input 1, and the cloud message is the cloud OTP is a random number from 1 to 10,000, so that it's not over years. Then just add two more zeros. This is done. And then let's go on to the set text and the label 2. We are going to get the OTP over here. Set text to this cloud OTP. And then we are going to the receive screen. The code in the screen is over. And another thing in the design name, we should add a speech recognizer. We just click on the mic, it should start listening. Oh, I just added text to speech. That's not needed. We need a speech recognizer. So there we go. We also have this. And in the receive screen, let's get started with it. When receive message, no, not this. When button 3 is clicked, from receive message, set the text to the variable named cloud text message. That is the text over here. Another thing, we have to add another if block. Use the get text of text input tool that we have already created. That's the place where we type the OTP is equal to the variable of cloud OTP. You have to set the text to the cloud text message. If it's not the cloud OTP, then let's set it to enter the correct OTP. Type correct OTP. That's all. Should I do in this? That's all. And then in the send screen, we are having a mic button, which is actually button 2. We have to add it for that. When the button 2 is clicked, from text input 1, we have to set the text to the speech recognizer one called listen, the output of the value and error. We have to give the value. So that's all. Our app will work now. Let's look into it. I'm going to send the message first. I'm typing a message called hi. I'm sending it. The OTP is 411. The Droid Navigator can only work in a smartphone or in any other devices, but not in a laptop. So let's receive this. I think I typed the wrong OTP. Send. Type the message as hi. 2953. The P is 2953. Let's go to receive. Type the OTP 2953. Receive. Yes, we received the message known as HII. And another thing, we the speech recognizer only works in a smartphone, but it don't work in a laptop. So please pay attention in this. Our app successfully works. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.